Hey everybody, when I was growing up, I had a favorite aunt, my Aunt Lulu, and she taught me how to do everything from macrame to reupholstering furniture, make friendship bracelets, and sometimes have a sip of wine. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are using the macrame materials from John Bead, and we are making a double hoop macrame inspired by the Crafty Ginger. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. I really do. Are you ready? Let's make a macrame project. We are starting with a 9-inch diameter brass ring. The first thing we need to do is cut 12 pieces of 96-inch long cord. Next, we'll cut 4 pieces of 120-inch long cord. Starting with the 4 120-inch pieces, we are going to attach them to the ring using a lark's head knot. Simply match the ends of the cord and find the center, then put the loop over the ring and pull the tails through the loop around the ring. Next, we'll attach the 12 96-inch pieces, 6 on each side of the longer center pieces, using the same lark's head knot. Once all of your pieces are attached to the ring, we're going to start making rows of square knots. Grab the 4 end pieces, take the end cord on the left and cross it over the 2 center anchor cords. Now, with the right cord on top of the left cord, go behind the anchor cords and through. To complete the square knot, we take the right cord, cross it over the 2 anchor pieces, then take the left cord, go behind the anchor pieces and through. Moving over to the next set of 4 cords, continue creating square knots to create the first row. For the second row, we're going to skip the first 2 cords and make a staggered row of square knots. For the third row, we'll start at the end again without skipping the 2 end cords. We're creating 6 rows all together. Once the 6th row is complete, we are going to hang our second 14-inch diameter ring. Now we're going to attach each cord to the second ring with a double half hitch. Simply go over the left and behind, then come around the front and pull the end through the loop. Do this with every cord along the second ring, and don't worry if they're a little loose, you can tighten them later. Once all of your cords are attached with the double half hitch, starting on the end cord, we're going to add some beautiful turquoise wooden beads. Simply knot 2 inches from the ring, add 3 beads, and then knot again. Now, skipping 2 cords, make a knot on the 4th cord at the same level of the bottom of the first set of beads. We're going to create a V shape with the beads. Finally, we're going to trim the cords in a long V shape and hang this baby in my guest room. I'm going to leave a link to the Crafty Ginger, John Bead, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I will see you next week. Bye. Hey DIYers, what the